And let's give you a live look outside right now. You got Sacramento right there on the left, and you have Lake Tahoe on the right. More rain falling in the valley. The Sierra getting more snow. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Mike Cherry, joined by meteorologist Tamara Berg right now, and really things are starting to pick up even more so.
They are, as expected. As these morning hours start to go, we're expecting to see that heavier rain, the heavy snow is expected to fill in, especially across the Sierra in and through the afternoon and into the early evening hours. So yeah, a lot of the focal point today is going to be on the snowfall in the Sierra, the rates and the intensity, especially as we go into really the middle of the day, and then just kind of continuing even into the evening tonight. Right now, most of the snowfall has been at more of a moderate pace for the most part, and then you can see in the valley that rain continues to make its steady climb here across the valley floor, I should say, steady kind of crawl for the most part. Been watching the rainfall fill in along Interstate 80, and also for folks traveling 99 up and through Yuba City, and then also seeing that rain getting a little heavier traveling into Fairfield right now. You'd be underneath some moderate to heavy rain, and we've got some rain also traveling across Vacaville. Winters there traveling just to the east of Lake Berryessa. Let's get to the snowfall, because down Interstate 80, been watching that line kind of work its way down the hill, but the better accumulations have been in areas like Colfax, where the snow is really coming down and getting pushed around by some windy conditions that are there currently. Along Highway 50, you can see things are not terribly intense in terms of the snowfall as you get east of Placerville, and then as you go west of Placerville, it's mainly rainfall for folks that are traveling out and about there along 50 as you go into Cameron Park neighborhood and even into El Dorado Hills. But it's getting gusty. Everybody's pretty much feeling that wind zipping around, gusting close to 30 miles an hour in Yuba City and Sacramento, and close to that in Truckee as well. And that is why those conditions will be whiteout going across any of the Sierra travel for today, as those winds will push that snowfall around. It is a breezy start to the morning. Temperatures only in the upper 40s, with chances for showers and thunderstorms straight through the afternoon, even into the early evening. And then as we head into tomorrow, things do begin to dry out. I'll talk more about that full extended forecast coming up in just a bit. Mike, back to you.
All right, thank you so much, Tamara. The snow forcing I-80 to close last night. This morning, it's still closed, and that snow just keeps on piling up. For more on that, let's get to Mike Tassell right now, live east of Colfax. And Mike, we've seen a very steady downpour of snow all morning long with you.
Yeah, there might be people who are watching this right now wondering, why is the interstate still shut down? Well, consider that where we are standing and this scene behind us, this is westbound I-80, and it is shut down. This scene here, this is not Donner Summit. This is not near the 7,000-foot elevation level. Instead, this is just below 3,000-foot elevation, and you can see the type of snow that continues to pile up. In fact, Tamara was saying heavy snow right near Colfax. We're literally just east of Colfax. And Brandon, bring it around this way, because I just want to show you, with the interstate closed, this is proof. I am literally walking in the middle of westbound I-80. There is no traffic going, no traffic coming. And if you're wondering, what is it like trying to drive in this, take a look, because we also recorded some video getting to this spot from Dutch Flat to just past Gold Run. And this is a look at what it is like trying to drive out here, just, white on white on white as the snow continues to fall. And if we can come back out here live, again, this is westbound I-80. I'll come over here to the median again, because this is a real good example of just how much snow continues to pile up here just east of Colfax, low down. Look at that. That's just here at the 3,000-foot elevation level. In fact, there's a car coming right now, and a good kind of description of the visibility here. That car's not too far away from us, and you can see the headlights there in the distance. But boy, you add in a little bit of a blowing snow up towards the summit, you can see how the visibility can quickly go down near zero. Again, keep in mind, much of this traffic that you do see in any of our live shots, these are either emergency crews up here, locals who are going from exit to exit, or, of course, Caltrans or CHP moving from spot to spot. So, again, the interstate remaining closed, and if you're wondering, well, when's it going to reopen? Well, keep in mind, the plows have been out there as well trying to work these roads. You can see the snow just falling faster than the plows can keep up. Add to that the zero visibility near the summit. Could be another day of the interstate being shut down. Best advice, don't come this way if you want to come up to the Sierra. Live along westbound I-80, a closed westbound I-80. Mike Tassell, KCRA 3 News. Brian, I'll let you take care of the traffic everywhere else.
Yeah, pretty much a mess everywhere else, Mike. When it comes to the mountain travel anyways, you can see this is where they're diverting all that traffic off at Applegate for Interstate 80. So you want to avoid that area right now. We'll keep an eye on that for you, but this is what it looks like up over Kingvale. And it is just treacherous up there with blowing snow, the snow continuing to cover the roadway there. So it's closed from Applegate to the Nevada State line. Highway 88 also closed from Dewdrop over to the Nevada State line. Highway 50, Placerville to Myers open with four-wheel drive or snow tires and chains. But again, that likely to change soon if it hasn't already. So we'll keep an eye on that for you. Southbound 65 right now, we've got an accident here, just adding to the travel woes for folks coming in out of Placer County, trying to make it over to Interstate 80. I'm seeing this backup starting to build here. 3 vehicles involved. Latest report is the fire department is working to get those vehicles off the road at Blue Oaks so they can tend to the vehicles and the patients there and get that part of the road reopened. But you can see once you get past that, it's all in the green. Northbound 99, a little slow through Florin. I-5, no delays there. We had a crash downtown. They've cleared that one, so that's not going to be an issue for you any longer. 99, a 16-minute ride out of Elk Grove. I-5, a little bit faster at 12. And Interstate 80, Roseville to Split, 13 minutes, Mike.
All right, thanks so much, Brian. Okay, so we're seeing snow falling in the Sierra, but in the valley, it's rain. KCR3's Leticia Ordaz is driving along Highway 50 right now with a look at the conditions that she's seeing firsthand this morning. Good morning, Leticia.
Mike, good morning. Yes, it's been a pretty steady rain all morning long since about 6:30 this morning. Right now, it seems like we're taking a bit of a break. It's almost spitting rain. Very light sprinkles this morning. It's not causing any puddling on the roadways just yet. That could change after 9 this morning. We are expecting heavier amounts of rain to fall in the valley. We are just passing Stockton Boulevard here, going 50 westbound. So the commute is looking well. Traffic is getting quite heavier just because more people are heading to work, but no major incidents to report 50 west right now. Mike, I'm going to send it back to you.
All right, Leticia, thank you so much for that live report. All non-essential offices in Western and Eastern Nevada County are closed today, and the County Board of Supervisors meeting will be held virtually tonight. Roads across that county covered in snow or the slush, as we've been showing you, making getting around town a big challenge. Many Grass Valley residents are taking advantage of a break in the storm systems yesterday to stock up on supplies and get through the next few days.
Community here is so strong and so awesome. They keep us going year round, so we want to keep them going during hard times. We can constantly shoveling it and salting it down so that anyone that dares to make the trip in can make it in safely.
And all this bad weather means dozens of schools are going to be closed today because of those snowy and road conditions. Those include the ones you see right here: Amador County Unified, Lake Tahoe Unified, Truckee Tahoe Unified, Camino Union, Gold Oak Union, Gold Trail Union, Indian Diggings, Placerville Union, Pioneer Union, Silver Fork, and Black Oak Mine. Motherlode Union Elementary and Polly Pines Elementary School districts will also be closed. Now, let's take a look at the individual campuses right here. E.V. Kane Middle School in Auburn, Colfax High School, and Forest Hill High School all closed. In the El Dorado Union High School District, Pacific Crest Academy, El Dorado, Union Mine, and Independence High Schools will not be open today. And Lake Tahoe Community College will remain closed. And we're tracking major outages as well in both Placer and Nevada County from those recent storms. And again, all that snow piling up in Nevada County. More than 8,000 are without power. In Placer, it's more than 3,000. And overnight, warming shelters are open in Stockton through Thursday. They're found at the Arnold Rue and also the Stribley Community Center. They'll be open from 8 at night to 7 in the morning. Restrooms, water, snacks, all provided. People can call 211 to contact those shelters. All right, let's give you a live look right now over downtown Sacramento. The storm and the chilly weather. Yeah, Sacramento County now activating its respite program. Crews will go out to people experiencing homelessness and offer a motel space to spend the night. The county expects all available rooms will be used. Within the city, a respite center is open through this Friday off 28th and R Street. It could be extended depending on the weather. Now, as the wet weather continues, be sure to share your weather, photos, and videos that you can safely take. Share them with us. You can download the KCRA3 app and click the upload tab to send us those photos. You can also sign up for weather alerts and use Live Doppler to track the storms as they move through.